Good morning, all of you. I am Bhumika Parekh here from Lyall Public School, and today's topic is letter writing. Letter writing is a very important part of English grammar and composition. So today we are going to see what a letter is, what are the types of letters, and so on. The first question is that what is a letter? A letter is basically a written message conveyed from one person through another to another through a medium. A letter is basically a written message. ठीक है, letter जो है वो is always a written message that is conveyed from one person to another through a medium. जब आप एक इंसान दूसरे इंसान को लेटर कोई भी एक मैसेज जो है वो रिटन में देता है एक मीडियम के थ्रू, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Letter. It is very important that the letter has to be in a written format. Okay, there are two types of letters. One is formal and the other one is informal. एक formal letter होता है और दूसरा जो है वो informal letter होता है. So today's topic will be formal letter. A formal letter is one written in a formal language and follows a certain format. Such returns are written for official purpose to seniors etc. and not to friends or फैमिली. फॉर्मल लेटर जो है वो एक फॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में लिखा जाता है. फॉर्मल is called औपचारिक in Hindi, which means that has to be very prim and proper. It has to be, it cannot be casual. आप कोई भी वर्ड यूज नहीं कर सकते हो. बहुत प्रॉपर लैंग्वेज होना जरूरी है, बहुत सलीके वाली लैंग्वेज होनी जरूरी है. ठीक है, so it is written in a formal language and follows a certain format. There has to be a certain format, certain way in which it has to be written. आप बस कहीं पे भी कुछ भी नहीं लिख सकते हो. You have to write things in a proper schedule, in a proper order. First you have to write the address, then you have to write the date, then you have to write the subject, then you have to write the salutation, then the main topic, then you have to close it in a proper way. All these things have to be done in a formal letter. You cannot just write anything out there. Okay, such letters are written for official purpose to seniors, your principal, your colleagues, your boss, all such people. ठीक है, official purpose means something formal has to be attached to it. Formal होना वहां पर जरूरी है, एक तरीका होना चाहिए किसी भी चीज का. If you do not know the meaning of formal and informal, तो please understand that first. Formal is something where you have to stay in a fixed order or in a fixed purpose or in a fixed set of way. You have to follow certain rules. But informal becomes where you can live on your own way. Small example is your school and your house. ठीक है, जब आप स्कूल में आते हो तब can you live or stay the way you like? Like there's a proper uniform for your school. Every child has to come in that uniform only. Is it necessary that every child can come in their own type of clothes? ठीक है, लेकिन घर पे आप कुछ भी पहन सकते हो, वहां पे कोई भी बाउंडेशन नहीं कि यही पहनना पड़ेगा या यही पहनना पड़ेगा. This is the difference between formal and informal. Formal place or formal thing you have to follow a certain rules, and in informal place there are no such hard and fast rules. Okay, and formal letters are written to your officials, seniors, colleagues. Colleagues are the people who work with you. Okay, to your boss, to your principal. ठीक है, to editors. या अगर आपको किसी भी गवर्नमेंट फील्ड के अंदर कोई लेटर लिख के किसी भी अपनी प्रॉब्लम से उनको एक्नॉलेज करवाना है, तो there you write down these formal letters, and these are never written to friends and families. If you are writing to your friend or family, it is not a formal letter. Okay, this is one small topic which I have taken here, that is difference between formal and informal letter. You need to understand this very importantly. The main difference between formal and informal letter is that formal letters professionally address someone and informal letters address someone in a personal way. ठीक है, फॉर्मल लेटर जो है वो प्रोफेशनली किसी एक को एड्रेस करेगा और इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स के अंदर एक बहुत पर्सनल तरीके से बात की जा सकती है. लाइक व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग टू समबडी हु इज विद whom you share a formal relation, आप उसको ऐसे नहीं कह सकते और कैसे, क्या हाल चाल. ठीक है, you just have to be very polite and very formal that good morning, how are you. But when you're talking to your friend or to your brother or sister or to your family, then you can use language, this language, और कैसे है, क्या हाल चाल. ठीक है, So this is the difference between formal and informal. Another differences include that formal letters will follow a specific format, while informal letters can follow any format. Formal letter के अंदर फिक्स है, पहले आपको रिसीवर्स एड्रेस, सेंडर्स एड्रेस लिखना पड़ेगा, फिर डेट, फिर रिसीवर्स एड्रेस, then the subject, then the salutation, then the opening lines, then the main content, then the finishing lines, then the greeting, then your name, signature, designation, and everything. But in informal letter also there is a format, but that is not so hard and fast. आपने एड्रेस लिख दिया, डियर लाना, और आपको जो भी बात करनी है वो आप लिख सकते हो. उसके अंदर आपको ओपनिंग लाइन, क्लोजिंग लाइंस लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. When you are learning how to write formal letters, तब or letters, we use some specific lines so that we can give it a start. Okay. Then this is the format of formal letter. Okay, so format of the formal letter. Format basically means the way something has to be done. कोई चीज को कैसे करना है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, फॉर्मेट कहते हैं. तो फॉर्मेट के अंदर the first thing which is given is sender's address. The first thing that has been given is sender's address. Sender's address means the address of the person who is sending the letter. जो लेटर भेज रहा है या जिसने लेटर लिखा है उसका एड्रेस किसमें आएगा, sender's address के अंदर. Then you have to write down the date. Then you write down the receiver's address. Receiver's address means if I am writing, then my address will be written in sender's address, and the person who is getting the letter, जिसको letter मिलेगा, ठीक है, उसको हम क्या कहेंगे, receiver's address. जिसको मैंने letter भेजा है, that person is the receiver of the letter, and his or her address will be written here. Then the next one is subject. Subject means when you try to tell what is written in the whole letter in one sentence. जब आप सिर्फ एक सेंटेंस के अंदर बताने की कोशिश करते हो कि आपने पूरे लेटर में क्या लिखा है. Supposingly if you are writing a letter to start computer classes in your school, ठीक है, तो in subject you'll write initiate computer classes. इसके अंदर पूरी बात आ जाती है कि पूरे लेटर के अंदर आप किस चीज के बारे में बात करने वाले हो. Okay. Then is salutation, which is sir or ma'am or whatever it is, you have to write. Then the body of the letter. Body of the letter will contain 3 parts. First is introduction, what you are writing, about whom you are writing, if you are pointing out something specific हो. Main content आपका जो भी concern है उसको लेके, whatever your concerns are, whatever your tensions are regarding that whole thing, that you are going to write, and then you are going to write the closing. Closing means how you're going to finish the letter. Okay, I hope that you'll work towards it. Yeah, I hope I'll get a positive response in this scenario or something of that sort. Okay. Then there is this complimentary close, which is again a part of this closing only. You can write it here also and you can write it there also. Okay, so this is optional. Then you write down sender's name, signature and designation. In complimentary close, some people will also take yours faithfully, yours complimentary. आप complimentary close के अंदर उस चीज को भी count कर सकते हो, ठीक है. Yours faithfully, yours respect, yours, ठीक है. Obediently, obediently you write generally for your teachers, and for any other you will write faithfully. Okay, so this is the format of the letter. Then there are a few tips which you need to keep in your mind to write a formal letter. First one is be concise. Very point to point talk should be done. आप बस इधर उधर की बातें नहीं करोगे, आप बहुत point to point बात करोगे whenever you are writing a formal letter. Okay, you are not be like अच्छा ऐसा हुआ था, फिर ऐसा हुआ था, फिर हमने ऐसा किया था, फिर हमने ऐसा देखा था, we saw this and that happened and then this happened and that is why we are telling. No, you just have to tell that this is the problem and we wish to get a conclusion or a result from you. That's it. The language should be that concise and precise. Okay. State the purpose of your formal letter in the first paragraph and don't veer from the subject. Veer here means do not run away or suddenly change from your subject. आपका जो पर्पस है फॉर्मल लेटर का, दैट शुड बी रिटन इन द फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट व्हाई यू आर राइटिंग द लेटर हैज टू बी मेंशन्ड देयर. ओके, एंड यू कैन नॉट जस्ट ड्रिफ्ट अवे फ्रॉम द सब्जेक्ट. जो आपका टॉपिक सब्जेक्ट में है वही टॉपिक यहाँ पर भी होएगा. Use an appropriate tone. You're writing to a teacher. There has to be a specific tone. You're writing to the principal, your boss, your colleague, whomsoever you're writing to. It has to be written in a very proper and specific way. आप जैसे जैसे बात करोगे आपको उसी टोन में जो सेंटेंस लेटर है वो लिखना पड़ेगा. Proofread. Proofread is a section which is not of your use right now, but in future time it can come of use. Proofread means when you have written it once, to read it thoroughly once again so that there is no mistake. ठीक है? And you can also make somebody else do that. किसी और से भी आप ये जो चीज है वो करवा सकते हो ताकि उसके, क्योंकि अगर आपने एक फॉर्मल लेटर लिखा है अपने बॉस को और उसके अंदर अगर एक भी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक आ रही है तो दैट लुक्स वेरी बैड. ठीक है? सो दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. Use proper format and presentation. Format और presentation जो है that should be proper. Format proper होना चाहिए. Presentation here means your handwriting and all. That should be done in a very proper and a nice way. Okay. This is one example from your book itself. Okay. On your way to and from school, you observe heaps of garbage on the roadside. They give out foul smell. Such unhealthy conditions may spread an epidemic. Write a letter to the editor of Hindustan Times highlighting the problem, appealing to the government and NDMC to find a solution. You are Pramodini Tiwari and Pramod Tiwari, 16 Pandhara Road, New Delhi. So your address and name has also been given. To whom you have to write a letter is given, and what you have to write in the letter is also given. आपको क्या कहा गया है कि रोड साइड के साइड में बहुत कचरे का ढेर हो गया है और उससे बहुत बदबू भी आती है और वो अनहेल्दी कंडीशन जो है वो किसी बीमारी को भी फैला सकते हैं. They might cause a disease or something of that sort. So you have to write a letter to the editor of Hindustan Times. Hindustan Times is a newspaper. You have to write a letter to it, and you have to through that letter appeal to the government and NDMC to find a solution to your problem. Then your name has been given here, Pramodini Tiwari or Pramod Tiwari. Girls will take the name of Pramodini Tiwari and boy will take the name of Pramod Tiwari. Or whichever name you like, you can use. Okay, your address has also been given. Okay. Now what you have to keep in mind is that when you have been given to write a letter to somebody, like the editor of the newspaper of Hindustan Times, so you cannot make it the Hindu or Times of India. If the question is mentioning that you have to write it to Hindustan Times, so you have to write it to Hindustan Times only. You cannot write it to anybody else. Okay? And when your name has been given Pramodini or Pramod Tiwari, so your name has to be that only. Like my name is Bhumika. But if I am writing the answer to this letter, I cannot write Bhumika Parekh. I have to write either Pramodini Tiwari or Pramod Tiwari. That is very much compulsory. I cannot skip that. Okay? I cannot skip that at any condition. The name which has been given in the question has to be written. Otherwise, your marks will get deducted. Okay? Then, सबसे पहले हम क्या लिख रहे थे? Sender's address. So 16 Pandhara Road is sender's address, New Delhi. Then the date. This is the receiver's address. हमको जिसको letter लिखना है, ठीक है? Then we have the subject. Then we have the salutation. This is the main body of the sentence. This is the complimentary clause. Yours sincerely, and this is the name. अब we are writing only name. जबकि हमने format में लिखा था कि वहाँ पे signature, designation ये सारी चीजें लिखी हुई थी. But that we will use only at that time when you are writing in your own company or you're writing in the firm where you are continuously working. ना तो हम हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स में काम करते हैं, ना हम गवर्नमेंट है और ना ही हम एनडीएमसी के हैं. ठीक है? तो we just have to write our name. Okay? I hope this was clear to all. In the next class, we are going to talk about informal letters and a few examples of formal and informal letters. I hope everything is clear with formal letters. Thank you.